Hello students. Now we will look at a brief theory on vapor compression refrigeration system so that we can solve some numericals with proper understanding. This is a vapor compression refrigeration. VCR is the most practical form of refrigeration used for domestic purpose as well as commercial and industrial purpose. Okay, we look at the components of the vapor compression refrigeration system. There are only four simple components. One is the evaporator. So evaporator, when the vapor, here the liquid comes in, liquid refrigerant comes in, it picks up the heat, it gets vaporized. So A is a state after evaporator, it is vapor, liquid vapor, refrigerant vapor at low pressure. Then it goes to the compressor. Here, as you know, compressor increases the pressure, so it comes at B, that is high pressure vapor. Then it goes to the condenser. Condenser, it gives away the, rejects the heat to the atmosphere, so again it becomes high pressure liquid only. Okay. And last is a expansion valve or throttle valve, where the pressure is reduced and you get it as low pressure liquid again here. So D is low pressure liquid. So these four things, this is a flow diagram of the VCR. Now we will see the analysis of VCR on TS and pH diagram. This is temperature enthalpy diagram, temperature entropy diagram, and this is pressure enthalpy diagram. Now you see these are the saturation lines. So saturated liquid, saturated vapor. Here also this is saturated liquid line, this is the saturated vapor line. Okay, construction line. Now you let us see the standard case where, so this is A is the outlet of the evaporator. So this is dry saturated vapor at the exit of the evaporator. It is compressed isentropically. Entropy is constant. Please understand this. Entropy of B is equal to entropy of A. This is a very important characteristic. We should remember to solve numerical. Then this is B dash. Again B dash, here it is a saturated vapor. This is superheated. It comes to saturated. Then here the phase change takes place. It is cooled in the condenser. It comes to C. It is a saturated liquid. Saturated liquid here, and again it comes to D. Pressure is reduced. Here you can see the pressure enthalpy diagram. Only two pressures are there. This is evaporator pressure bottom, top is condenser pressure. Temperatures also two. One is evaporator temperature, top one is condenser temperature. Okay. So here evaporator, it is a saturated vapor, compressed isentropically to B, that is superheated, then cooled. This is all cooling. B to C is cooling, rejection of heat, and C to D is reducing in the pressure. Okay, this is a simple cycle of four components: evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion valve. You please remember this notations: A after the evaporator, B after the compression, C after the condensation, and D after the throttling or expansion. So these four processes are there, very simple processes are there. So you can understand. And this is A, H, these are all enthalpies here. A, B, C and D, these enthalpies are given, values are given here. Okay. So in the actual pH diagram, you will have the enthalpies, and you can see these enthalpies. Okay, these are enthalpies are very important for all your calculations. Okay, now we will go to the important formula in VC, vapor compression refrigeration cycle, so that you will be able to solve the numericals very easily. Thank you.